Hey, it's Ookie. I made another video. You know, I'm into foraging. I've made a bunch of knives. There's a few of them. There's a few. They're all over the place. There's one. Knives everywhere. But I can only do so much foraging. It gets to be really hard on my elbows. And I wanted a hydraulic press. I couldn't get anywhere to get one, so I had to make one. Then I couldn't get any steel. My sister gave me 2 pieces of angle iron, and my mother gave me an old TV stand that the glass broke out of. And these here are trampoline springs, and it works. It matches stuff. I'll give you a demonstration in a minute. I screwed up and didn't weld this side as good as this side, so this side I had to re-weld and re-support and all that funny junk. So I'm going to set it down, and I guess I'll mash something for you. I got an old microphone I used to use before I got hearing aids, and I'll smash it because it was never that much good. So let's see. I hope you can see that. I don't have a camera angle, so I can't. And here it is. And here it goes. It's a 6-ton jack. About 12,000 pounds of pressure force. I figured 1/4-inch angle iron would work, but it didn't. So here we go. Hey, nothing popped. Alright. And there's what's left of it. Lighter than a flitter. Yep. Now it's garbage. But that's my hydraulic press made out of garbage. I don't know when I'll make another video, but I will someday at some point. I promise. Bye.